Okay. So guys, I'm just filming him now. He's going to probably come up and maybe touch your foot.
Okay, I'll put my things in. He looks
Okay, he's just reaching out to touch you, and he's tasting your foot now, actually, because his tongue. So, just lift it up, Ned. Just move back a bit.
You can hear the suction cups.
That's his little suction cups.
Holy!
Let him stay on your foot.
So don't try and hurt him. Just let him feel, and then if you get a bit worried at all, just move your foot out of the water a bit more. Don't let him touch on your skin.
Yeah, it's like pulling us in.
Okay, move back a bit and just let him go away now. That's it.
He's pretty strong.
Ned, just move back.
He won't let go.
I'll just get a shot of everyone.
It's my foot here, baby. Oh no.
That is so cool. Can you get your head out of the room?
Good. Oh, I'm going to shut
Oh, you got ya.
He just like peed on you. He like jetted off though.
Yeah, that's exactly what he did. He was sort of jet propulsion.
There he is.
He's all out of propulsion.
Look how colourful the stuff. Oh, so funny. Orange is the main colour. Orange is the best. And green. Can I take a photo of it?